Foundation of the Gulf Coast, and today I am on the Tatum Sawgrass Marsh and the Myakka River on Triangle Ranch. I'm joined by Clyde and Nikki Butcher. We're taking some beautiful photographs. One of the things I'm really excited about is to see this Tatum Sawgrass Marsh as it's dried down, because it's providing really good habitat for wading birds and shorebirds. Take a quick look at these shorebirds. So that was a quick look at the Tatum Sawgrass Marsh. It's so beautiful and so valuable for wildlife. That's why we're working hard to protect it. And I do hope that you can learn more on our website, conservationfoundation.com. Like us on Facebook, Conservation Foundation of the Gulf Coast, or visit our Instagram page, Conservation Foundation GC. Until next time, this is Amos, having fun in the field.